In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wedding RSVP website in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional site that guests can use to respond in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Wix account and head to your main dashboard. Here, look for the option to create something new and click Create New Site. This sets up a fresh workspace so you can build your wedding RSVP page without touching any existing projects. Next, choose Start from a template. Templates are a huge time saver because they come with layouts, sections, and design elements tailored for events. Instead of starting from a blank page, you'll begin with a professionally designed foundation that already understands what a wedding website needs. In the template library, use the search bar and type wedding invitation. This brings up designs that typically include event details, RSVP sections, and elegant styles. Take a moment to browse the results. Look for a layout that feels right for your celebration. Clean typography, space for photos, and a clear RSVP area are all good signs. Make sure the preview looks great on mobile, since many guests will respond from their phones. When you've found a favorite, open it and click Edit. The Wix editor will load the full template and it may take a moment. Totally normal. Once it's ready, you'll see a visual canvas where you can click on any element to change it. Now, customize the template to your desire. Replace placeholder text with your names, the date, ceremony, and reception locations, and a short welcome message. Adjust the color palette and fonts to match your wedding style, and swap in your photos or illustrations to make it feel personal. Focus on the RSVP section. Update the form fields so guests can provide what you need. Names, number of attendees, and any dietary requirements are common. Set clear labels and confirmation text so guests know their response was received. If the design includes buttons or links, make sure they point to the RSVP form or additional details on the same page. As you refine the page, keep the layout simple and readable. Group essential information, time, venue, dress code, and contact details in one place so guests don't hunt for it. Check spacing, headings, and contrast for accessibility, and preview how it looks on smaller screens to ensure the form is easy to use. With those edits in place, you've built a polished wedding RSVP website in Wix, ready for guests to respond quickly and confidently.